What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I filmed the whole video and didn't say a proper hello. I'm Angele Altieri. Welcome to the video. Here it is. Just came back to say that. So, roll the clip. For today's video, we are quiet on set. Thank you so much. For today's video, we are doing like the best of gift sets for holiday 2020. I'm sure there will be more gift sets to come out in the future. I don't know why brands are putting gift sets out and like holiday collections out so early. It's only September, but there have been a lot to come out, and I wanted to take today's video to choose and talk about my top 10 holiday gift sets so far for holiday 2020. These are just gift sets, not like holiday releases and stuff like that. I'll probably talk about holiday releases in a future video. So if you're interested in my top 10 favorite gift sets for this year, then you know the deal. You know the drill. And you know the vibes. Let's get it. Let's get it. I have 10 gift sets. Let's start with, what do we want to start with? We have hair. We have just like lips. Wow, this is gonna die on me. The audacity. Let's start with hair products. We are going to start with some Briogeo. So I'll also have the pictures over here. I'll link them down below. Direct links to the gift sets. Most of these sets I'm looking at, or all of the sets I'm looking at, are on Sephora, and most of them you can also find at Ulta. I'm just looking at Sephora. So this is the Briogeo Detox and Restore Kit. Comes with their Scalp Revival Charcoal and Coconut Oil Micro Exfoliating Scalp Scrub, 8 ounces, which I think is the regular. I have that. And the Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask, also 8 ounces, which I think is full size, and I also have that. The Scalp Scrub, really good in exfoliating, especially when the seasons are changing and my scalp is pretty dry. I use that. Low key, I need glasses. Boy. And the deep conditioning mask, super good, super hydrating, and that is $49. It doesn't say what the like value would be. So the 8 ounce is the full size, and one of them alone is $36. And the scalp scrub, 8 ounces full size, and that's $42. So you're basically paying for like one of the products alone, a little extra. So I really like that. I think it's very worth your money and amazing quality. Oh, another Briogeo gift set, Merry MultiMasking Kit, $36. Comes with the Don't Despair Repair Honey Moisture Deep Conditioning Mask, 8 ounces, which is the full size. 2 ounce Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask, which I guess is a trial size, sample size. And the Be Gentle Be Kind Avocado Kiwi Mega Moisture Superfood Mask, which I guess is also travel size. I've never tried the kiwi anything, but I love the little bear. It smells so good, super rich, moisturizing. I love it. This bear came out last holiday, limited edition. I got it then. I loved it, and I think the bear itself was like $36. So I think that's a great set if you're very into nourishing hair products. Another hair set thing. I got a lot of stuff about hair here. Interesting. These are my favorites, and I'm really into hair care. So here we have the Olaplex Holiday Hair Fix Kit, $60. I think everything in here is travel size. I could be wrong. Everything is 3.3 ounces. There's the number 3 hair perfector, number 4 bond maintenance shampoo, number 5 bond maintenance conditioner, number 6 bond smoother. And people rave about Olaplex. I've never tried anything from Olaplex, and I think for the they're actually full-size products. I get, or like the standard size, and the number 3 is $28. I'm just looking at like regular prices for these products. The conditioner and shampoo are mini sizes, which are $14. Ooh, I'm snatched. So it's an $84 value for $60. I think that's amazing. And if you wanted to try out Olaplex products, as I do, it's a great set. Okay, I also have this. This is from Ulta Beauty, from the brand Curlsmith Curl Transitioning Kits. $65, $77 value. It has the curl quenching conditioning wash 12 ounces, which is like a full-size product. Double cream deep quencher 8 ounces. Hold me softly style balm, which I think is a travel. In shower style fixer, which 2 ounces I also think is a travel. And this is basically for like a curly hair journey, which if you see my curls, they need help. They need a journey. Then we have some like body products. If you thought I wasn't going to include this brand, you're crazy. Okay, this is the Sol de Janeiro Wild Extravaganza set, $62. A must-have set of Brazilian beauty icons. Okay, so we have 8.1 ounces of the Brazilian Boom Boom Cream, which I think is the full size, pretty sure. 3 ounces of the Brazilian Crush Hair and Body Fragrance Mist, that's a travel size. 3 ounces of Brazilian Foreplay Moisturizing Shower Cream Gel, that's a travel size. And 0.21 ounce of Brazilian Kiss Cupuaçu. We're just gonna say the Brazilian Kiss lip butter, because I don't know that word. I think that's the full size of the products. I really want to try their lip butter. It does say it has beeswax in it, which I'm allergic to, but I really want to see if it gives me the reaction, because I just want it. Like, everyone loves it, but I'm allergic to beeswax, but I really want to try it. And yeah, the full size Boom Boom Cream is like $42 in itself, and a travel size of the spray is I think like $18 by itself. So I think this is a good set. And the body wash smells just as good. Okay, so we can go into lip products. We have this Laneige Glowy Lip Wonders, which is $27. It has full-size products, 2 lip glowy balms, and berry and gummy berry. I have the berry one. I'm running out, and it's amazing. And I don't know how much it is on it. Oh. So they're $17 on their own. So you tell me, it's a $34 value. Get it for $27. It's great. Another just lip product. We have the 5%. We have the Kosas Mini Wet Set Clean Lip Oil Trio for $25. I think they're mini sizes, 0.06 ounces each. So they're lip oils and jellyfish, which is glossy and clear, dip, pearly, neutral nude, jaws, warm red. They look like a beautiful lip gloss formula. The packaging is beautiful. Everything about it is beautiful. And I just want to try it. $25. I think it's a beautiful set, especially to give someone. It's just nice and clean and pretty. Can't go wrong with that. Can you? I think not. Another lip I think these are mostly lip products. The Tarte See Yours and Mine Quench Lip Rescue Duo, $19, which I think one on its own is $19. They are two full-size See Quench Lip Rescues in Rose and Wish. I did get a set like this last Christmas, and they're beautiful, very nourishing, hydrating lip balms with a tint of color. Down to the last two, another lip bundle. This is the Fenty Beauty Glossy Posse Mini Gloss Bomb Set Holidays Edition. There are 4 new shades. They're all minis. It has Cake Shake, which is like a neutral or like a cooler tone brown. Baby Brett, which is a rose goldy champagne pinky nude. I don't know. Taffy Tease, which is like a coral, and Ruby Milk, which is a very bright fuchsia. This isn't something I would necessarily buy for myself. It's $36, by the way. This isn't something I necessarily want for me, but I think for someone else it would be an amazing gift because it is a great formula. I love the minis because, well, I don't think there's any other lip gloss or anything that I've gone through more than my gloss bombs. That is crazy. Except for Diamond Milk. Diamond Milk is not my favorite by a long shot. It's probably down there in the list of all lip products I have. I just keep it for display. But they are so good, and they smell like peach and vanilla and yumminess. So I would highly recommend it. Highly recommend. Okay, so this last product is the highlighter set, the Becca Cosmetics Mini Barbie Ferriera Prismatica. I don't know who that is, what that is. Light Essentials Kit. It has 3 mini shimmering skin perfectors in champagne pot, which is soft golden, pinky peach pearl, vanilla quartz, which I have. I adore it. I love it. Can I just show you? I'll just show you vanilla quartz. I love this. This highlighter surprised me. Didn't expect to like it. It's gorgeous. It is a creamy light golden with pink pearl. Yeah. Highly accurate. And a rose quartz, which is neutral pale pink with soft golden pearl. I think this is a great set. Would I get it? I would probably get it, or I would ask for it. I think it's a pretty set. Really, really do. There are a lot of gift sets out there. A lot. But these are the ones that stuck out to me as products I would be most interested in. So those are my top 10 gift sets I'm looking at for this holiday season. Definitely want some good hair care products. I love shampoos and conditioners that smell good. I just do. I love Briogeo. I love Sol de Janeiro, and I'm really interested in Olaplex. Really am. And I love lip care. I love lip care products, lip balms, dewy lip balms. I'm wearing a dewy lip balm right now. I'm wearing the lip butter from Physicians Formula. They're just easy and perfect and amazing. So, alright guys, that's the end of this video. So yeah, if you liked this video, hit the like button down below, comment, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification if you're feeling froggy. I post every Thursday and Sunday. Right now I don't have any Jellies treasure boxes up for sale. I think by the time this video goes up, the site is down still, so I'll leave a link down below for you to sign up to our newsletter, because more boxes are coming soon, and I feel like my mystery boxes are good gifts. You know, you spend half the money you would spend if you get the products in store or online, and they're all really good products that I would enjoy myself. So be sure to follow me on social media to know about our next release and sign up to our newsletter. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like me, you like this video, share it to a friend, one friend, all your friends, Instagram, Twitter, and like all my socials down below. Thank you so much for watching, and hope to catch you in the next one.